Welcome to Touchdown Landscaping and Handyman Services. We tackle the toughest jobs for our East Valley neighbors. John Bear founded Touchdown Landscaping in 2017. Since he could walk, he was helping Dad around the yard. He would fix sprinkler systems, mow the lawn, edge the lawn, and take out trees. As a football player today, he has recruited some of his most trusted teammates to provide Arizona with high-quality, honest work that caters to their individual needs. We provide lawn care such as weeding, edging, mowing, and sprinkler installations. We also offer tree and stump removal and tree trimming. We offer free consultations. To help us be successful, we have installed a Contact Us page where potential customers can email us for a free consultation. We also have a blog highlighting some of our favorite yard decor that complements a clean yard. Also, to help us be successful, I have installed a Facebook link here. This is a relatively new addition, and since we have added it, we have one potential customer contacting us for a free consultation. Also, to help us be successful, we ran an ad campaign. Here are some of our best ads. We also installed Google Analytics. This helps us track our customer behaviors. The next time you need landscaping, contact Touchdown Landscaping. We have your back.